Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct, and don't forget to subscribe right below our YouTube channel. We'll be showcasing this Arena wheel and many more that we sell on Tires Wheels Direct. So check this one out. This is the Arena Battle. They're the A114s. These come in the finished smoke bronze with tint clear, and then they're size 22 by 10, bolt pattern 8 by 165, offsets -18, the center board is 125. I'm gonna put this wheel box down, showcase it to you guys, and let me know what you guys think about this Arena wheel. So let's check this guy out. This is a new brand out. I think most of you will like it. And they have some cool new styles. So let's check it out. You get your Arena sticker in there. That's pretty cool. And some literature here. So that's pretty cool. So two cool Arena stickers with their package. And let me open this thing up. Unbox it. Let's check it out. Ooh, nice looking wheel. So check this guy out. This is the Arena Battle. Has like a nice concave style. This bronze looks really, really nice. I think it put it next to this light gives it a more of a like brown bronzish look. The caps are plastic. It matches the wheel. Conical C lug nuts will go right in, and then TPMS sensor compatible. This is a cool feature that they did. I mean, it's kind of like a nice finish on the outside of this wheel, the lip treatment, and then a nice concave for a 22 by 10. Back side of the wheel is 125. So for those 8 lug trucks or 8 on 165, this will be good. If you need a hub ring, we do supply it from 125 to 117. I think there's like Ram 2500 or Chevy 2500. So great option for those guys that are looking for a nice heavy duty wheel, bigger size, wider fitment, and in a different color. So if you guys are looking for something specific like this, feel free to give us a call and I'll be happy to help. Thank you.